All right, I wanted to give you a short demo of ACT and Quotewerks over Citrix. So you log into the secure website. Up pops our resources, our desktop to use. It will start right up. And we're going to go ahead and start up ACT and Quotewerks. Within ACT, we've got a button set up for Quotewerks. We'll go ahead and start that. And we'll go back to the ACT screen. Here you can see our ACT alarms firing off. So if I wanted to go to this record, I can click here. Here's You Are Powerful. I can clear the alarm. And there we go. If I want to do a quote for Melissa, so let's say Melissa calls me. Type it in. I find my right Melissa. There's Melissa Pierce, Melissa Weather. I double click. There's Melissa Weather. We can say we want to do a quote for her. So we're going back to Quotewerks under Shipped To and Sold To. This button right here brings the contact information directly in from ACT into Quotewerks. If we'd like here, we could just put in our description. We can put in a cost. We can put in a price. We can put in a list, and so on. You can do it that way, or you can go to the products window here and build your own. So for example, if we go, this is, let's say we want to do a TV, and we're going to do a plasma TV. We'll pick this one, and then we'll go and we'll add a preamp, and pick that one. And remote control, pick this one. Some wiring. Surround sound. Whatever you need. Now, when you're done, you can hit close. And if we'd like, we can go and modify some of the prices. Maybe we know that the price for here, we can give them a little discount. And you'll see that go. Up at the top, we see our profit. If we'd like, we can hit the save button, and we'll just leave it safe like that. Now, when we hit save here, it's going to save this back into ACT as a sales opportunity with a follow-up phone call. So I hit save. This saves it as a sales opportunity. I can pick where in the process I am. Here's my follow-up. Maybe I want to follow up with them on Friday. And that goes back inside of ACT as an activity with a Friday follow-up, an opportunity that we see right here. It also attaches the document inside so you can get to it later. Back inside of Quotewerks, I can go in and put some notes. Maybe I might want to say the quote is good for 30 days. If I want, I can include some other fields here. And we'll save this again. To send this, we go to the print icon. We select our template, and you've got a variety of these. Each of these can be customized. For example, if I wanted to edit one of these, I go to Edit, and I can go and I can move this logo over to the center if I choose to, and save it. Again, totally customizable. Also under the cover page, I can choose my own cover pages. Under literature, I can attach maybe about our company or about the product. If there's products that have a spec sheet, those can be attached. And then we'll just hit preview here to see what it looks like. So there's my first cover page. There's my quote. You see I moved the logo to the center. Here's my About Us. Here's About Our Company. If I want, I can hit print to go to a printer, save as to save as a PDF, email to go straight to Outlook, and we'll hit close. Now when I'm done, if I choose to, I can go and make this an order, file and convert to order, and put the reason for the order. Maybe they picked us because of our current client relationship. When I'm ready to send this to QuickBooks, I can hit the QuickBooks button. Up pops all of my orders that are ready to go. I can pick the one I'd like to send and export that straight to QuickBooks. Furthermore, if you'd like to, under purchasing, you can make your purchase orders from Quotewerks directly to QuickBooks. That's our short overview of QuickBooks and Quotewerks in the cloud. Another thing you can do is, if you'd like, go to Start in Computer, and you can go visit all your own local drives. You can copy files back and forth if you need to. That's it.